what's happening, guys? Bruno here at Bruno's Classic Car Garage. Take 5. Just going to do something a little different today here. It's Boxing Day. I've been unboxing some parts here for my 6-liter Ford diesel, my F350, because it needs head gaskets. The truck was stolen at one time, and they were stealing trailers. They put a programmer on it and overboosted it and shit. And that's why I'm kind of stuck doing this now. I kind of figured I was going to have to do it at some point because of that, you know. But anyways, it's here we go. We've got a complete exhaust kit here, and it's made by Mel's Manufacturing, I think it is, in Canada. It's made in Canada. It's a 4-inch kit. There's the part number here for it. I don't know if anybody knows anything about these, or if they're good, or anybody had problems. I'm not sure. So we've got that. Got that from NADP in Edmonton. They can supply you that if you guys are looking for something. Got the EGR Delete kit, also got at NADP. But this has obviously been rebranded for them. I'm not sure who would make this kit. Somebody might recognize it. I don't know. But there it is. And then we got an MBRP Y pipe. It's a stainless Y pipe, stainless bellows. And so we've got that. Looks like a pretty nice piece, actually. Pretty nice, yeah. Pretty nice piece. Then we've got an Alliant head gasket kit. And that's a really nice complete kit. It has everything in there. If all you're doing is your head gaskets, everything is in here. You don't need anything else. But I mean, when you're doing this kind of job, you're going to be wanting to do everything around it, because it's a lot of work getting in there anyways. So anyways, yeah, this thing has everything. It has the ARP stud kit in it, exhaust intake gaskets. It's got the re-ring kit for the injectors, and you know, a few other things in there. So this is the expensive part here, what's in that box. Then we have, what do we have here? We've got fuel filters, oil filter. We got some arc oil. Highly recommend this. My truck in the wintertime starts, no joke, way better. It's 100% difference with this arc oil in there. It's amazing. I didn't believe at first when people talked about it until I used it, and it is exactly what people say about it. Yeah, my truck starts without being plugged in with that stuff. It's amazing. Then we got a water pump. This is Alliant Power again. This is from GCL Diesel, and that gasket kit is from GCL Diesel also in Edmonton. They also have a lot of good stuff, and that's Alliant Power. Same with the gasket kit. I've got a sensor here. I can't remember what the hell I had this for. Anyways, I got a sensor. I've got a factory Ford oil cooler. Comes with everything I've been watching on about this is the only way to go, is the factory Ford oil cooler. And apparently now these have been discontinued, so I'm kind of glad I've got one. I think I probably bought one of the last ones from the dealer where I was going to. So yeah, so that's pretty pricey unit too. This was like, I think it was like 740 bucks or something like that. Yeah, not cheap. So I got all that, and I do need some other stuff. Like I've got rad hoses, and just going to be a lot of miscellaneous stuff. I'm going to do the idlers and the tensioners, and you know, just there's a lot of stuff. I've got the IPR kit here too, right here. That's a must. I did the valve already a couple years back, so that's still good. But yeah, anything you guys got to get everything done. I'm still gonna have to get the heads looked at when I take them off. Injector harnesses, glow plugs. You know, I don't have it here. I do have glow plugs here. I did one harness, but you know what? They're like 80 bucks or something aside. So you just do both harnesses and then you're done. And yeah, and then the only thing I'll have left, I think, after that will be the turbo and the high pressure pump I'm going to have a look at. And then that should about take care of all the parts. So, not a cheap thing to do. Probably, yeah, I don't know. I haven't even added up all the bills yet, but with the oil cooler and the rest of the stuff that I need. Get the head work done. I don't even know what I'm going to need there yet until I take the heads off. You know, so it's definitely going to be a little bit pricey kind of thing, but if, you know, even doing it yourself, it's pretty expensive. I mean, if I had to pay somebody to do what I'm doing, it would be probably all of $15,000 for sure, because you're doing everything around it, right? So probably going to be like 7 grand in parts, 8 grand, or somewhere in there. Who knows? I'm going to total it up and see here at the end, but I'll be posting some videos about it, and so that should be interesting. There should be a lot of swear words and stuff like that going on. So, all right, guys. So that'll be the 6-liter deal here. That'll start in about 2 weeks. So just just keep watching the channel there, and that should be pretty exciting. All right, guys. That's about it for this video, and I will talk to you guys later.